What's up, YouTube? This is episode 3 of my Building a New SaaS, 2 devs, 1 editor. If you're wondering where episode 2 is, you can find the full VOD on twitch.tv/JamesPerkins. There was an issue with some audio that doesn't allow me to upload to YouTube, but this video can be. So if you want a quick summary of episode 2 to catch you up, we essentially went through all of our tech stack and decided what we were going to use, which you can see on screen now. On top of that, we also just went through a few ideas on stream, such as how does Monaco Editor work? How does Twilio work? Small things like that. In episode 3, which is what you're going to be watching right now, is just me setting up some providers. I'm not going to edit anything out. It's very short. It's only 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you can meet me live on Twitch for the next episode.
Now we're in a good spot. I can see. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? Yeah, let's do... I guess this one? That'll probably be fine. It still feels like the wrong... Hold up. That's the wrong profile. Live stream. Let's try that one. How is it going? Yeah, that looks a bit normalized, kinda. Let's see. That looks tiny. Let me fix some settings here.
Look, you and me on the Charles River.
Let's fix some settings. Open UI settings. Font size 16. And auto save after delay. Is that actually... Yay, well done. At least you're here, because like I'm just gonna fight with my machine for like 20 minutes, so everyone can just hold on while I try and figure out. Oh, that looks a bit better. Yeah, that kind of looks like code. This music still feels hella loud in my headphones. There we go. Let's see how that feels. Everything is up in the air, literally. As I have a new stream machine that's now built and finished. So, in theory, everything should be back to normal-ish at this point. But we'll see. Although I really do hate that that's there. Let's edit that real quick. Put chat somewhere else. You dang chat. Let's move you. Let's put you down here. There. Save. Because not everything is set right. Welcome to Professional Streamer Doesn't Know How to Stream. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, that's all fixed. Cool. So, I think today we're going to do some real light work here. We're going to just install providers that we're going to use with a project. So, things like Chakra UI is going to be installed. Clerk's going to be installed. React Query is going to be installed. And whatever else we decided on, which I'll just look in our documents here somewhere. I believe it's this one. Yeah, so we'll install Next.js, React Query, Clerk, Prisma, and then we'll go from there. Yeah. I think that's probably the easiest way. So let's do that. But first, I actually need to go close this VS Code, close this VS Code, RMF, 2 devs, 1 editor, and then npx create dash dash ts. Is that TypeScript? Is that the... I always forget how to do Next.js. It is dash dash ts. Okay. Boom. One thing down. I've done it. We're one step closer to success, at least. Okay. 2 devs, 1 editor. Then we'll open that in this profile. I'll fix my streaming profile for next stream whenever we get there. Okay, so now we have that. We can go here, grab all this, add chakra, and we'll do Next.js. And we'll steal this. And we'll use that in a minute. And we'll just get the real basics down ready. Because I think today will probably be a short-ish stream because I have quite a bit to do outside of here. So, Q, you wouldn't download a custom. Yeah. We just steal everything here. Clearly. I actually didn't really need half of this code, but that's okay. I only needed this part. You think after like doing hundreds of thousands of like chakra installs for videos, I'd know that that's how it works. Okay, so that's that done. We won't worry about customizing our theme yet or doing color mode. Those will all come in future releases, aka in like 6 months when we finally finish this project. Piracy, it's a crime. Oh, the good old days. You wouldn't download a car, would you? Well, I would if I could. Clerk, the obvious choice, the only choice for authentication. New application. Application name. 2 devs, 1 editor. And for this, I think we're just gonna have Google, Twitter, GitHub. Passwordless strategy, emails as identifiers, finish. Woo! Alright. I now need this front-end MPI key. So we can then install that. So yarn add @clerk/next.js. Man, where's my drink? Anybody know where my drink is? Hello? What'd I do with it? Oh no. I'm gonna click this, but it's gonna be on my stream PC, so I'm not gonna be able to show it on stream. Oh, it's a good choice of car to download, personally. That'd be the one I'd pick. And then we probably need types for yarn add @clerk/types. Okay, and then we can add that as the provider. So import. This is the future pirates one. Fax, clerk provider. And then we need to wrap this in our clerk provider. And now we have authentication. Boom, done. We did it, everybody. We did it. Now we have authentication. But we'll also do some more here. Is signed. Nope. Is. Nope, that's not it. Signed in. Then we drop these components. And we say signed out. And we put sign in. And done. So if they're signed in, we'll do this. If they're signed out, we'll do that. So that should just work out of the box. Let's just test that real quick. Make sure that all works. We'll probably end up using potentially SSR, and then this won't matter. Oh, this will matter because I didn't put this in. Next, public. Clerk front end API equals this. All right, let's see. Localhost 3000. If I did the setup correctly, yeah, okay, there we go. We get the sign in page. And then if I sign in with the Googles and choose me. All right, dope. All of that works out of the box. Authentication made easy. Okay. Dopey dope dope. But while I'm here, before we do anything else, we should add user button. All right, and now I can sign out. Or I can manage my account, up to you. But we'll sign out. Yo, welcome to Clerk, the future of dropping components for authentication. This is where I work, my dude. This is the stuff that gets me excited. That sorcery makes everything so much easier. Authentication in what was that, like, I don't know, 3 minutes? It took me longer to install the packages than it did to set it up. Just like to point that out. All right. Can I have this with my Vue/Nuxt app? Technically, yes. But not out of the box. So we support like all the React kind of stuff, frameworks. So we got React, Next.js, Remix, Gatsby, Redwood. But we do have vanilla JS, right? So technically you could just wrap like a script up in it and it would work the same way. Like it's literally like this much code. And this is how the other wrappers work anyway. We basically wrap up this JS. And then use it. But we do have Vue and Nuxt on the list, so in the future, yes, you will be able to use this, like out of the box with like 3 lines of code. But for now, if you're using React-based things, you can do it in, I don't know, this many lines of code. Ding! And that's it. So, I don't know. No lines of code was required to make this work, basically. All right, what else do we need to make to fulfill our dreams here? Let's do a little zoom. So we got this, we got this, we got this. We need to do this, and probably this out of the box. Okay, let's do React query. React. Oh yeah, that's what they pay me for. I want tan stack though. I don't want React Query 3. I want number 4. Here we go. Let me set this to 125. Getting started. Installation, please. Sweet Caroline. Bam, bam, bam. Add React Query. This whole see that Yeah, don't donate if you're broke. My gosh. Donate to me when you're a millionaire. Or I'm a millionaire. Somebody's a millionaire. I don't know. Just keep coming. Yeah, I get paid like whatever it is, 0.01 cent per ad. So just keep showing up. Soon we'll be millionaires together. Okay, we've installed React Query, and I want to use SSR with hydration, which is here somewhere in this list of many things. Is it this one? No, that's the examples. I don't want that. Here it is. Perfect. I will take everything you own, which will probably be nothing, but it'll be worth it. I'll take I'll take exactly $0, please. Thank you. Right. Blah 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 blah. We don't have to worry about that. And I also don't have to worry about this. It's this part that I care about, I think. I swear there's a wrapper I need to wrap my app in. Using hydration. Thank you. Great. So I need to import hydrate, query client, and query client provider. So we'll shove that in here. At some point I'll neaten these up and make them the imports in the right spots. And then we use React useState in here. We'll import. You know what? We won't import the whole of React. Oh yeah, I can do that for you though. Oh yeah. Oh, my back clicked. It felt so good. Being 30 sucks. Import useState. And we'll just use that instead. Hello? What happened there? That was weird. Me pressing too many buttons at once. Got it. There. Done. Okay. Then we need to have this provider that will hydrate our state. But I imagine we probably only want it here. So let's stick it here. And we'll stick all of this inside of it. And then hit save. And none of my... before anybody in chat / in the comments on this YouTube video starts bitching that my... it's all a farce. I am a giant Man United fan and it's all a farce. I guarantee we won't recreate that in like the next game on the weekend. It was great to see a win, but like we played terribly and they played worse than we did. So between those two things, it's going well. I'd like to say, I'd like to think that he'll keep players that don't play well out, such as Maguire, Ronaldo, Fred, McTominay. But that doesn't seem to be the case, so I give it like maybe we probably will beat Southampton at the weekend, but it'll be a stretch. And then after that, it'll just all go to shit again. So, yeah, that's where we're at. That's where my depression levels are. Okay, we're going to use nhost probably. Just because it's been a while since I've used nhost and thought, why not? It's been a while. Let's see. Docs. Next.js. Do I need to do any provider setup? I don't think so. Of course I do. Which tweet? There's so many. I tweet too much. I'm concerned. I'm concerned when people start with, I saw this tweet of yours the other day, and then I cry into my my Twitter account. Okay. I don't care about any of that. I just care about two things. Oh yeah. My old 90s jersey that my dad got me. That was like a limited run. Yeah, those are cool. The good old days. So do I need all the things here? Let's see. So yes, it looks like I have to add a provider for them to do. I don't care about any of this. All this. All this. All this. All this. Yeah. If you ever become a millionaire, hit me up. We can talk. Okay. We do want to use this, but maybe I don't want to use nhost. Feels like overkill for what I want. So I think I'm just gonna look. We're just gonna just use Hazura. So much easier. Just because I'm not going to use all the features of this, like what's the point? And this basically layers Hazura on top, so who cares? Prisma. Question mark. Prisma plus Hazura. Hazura versus Prisma? No. Hazura, why are you doing versus posts? This seems silly. I just want to simplify my stuff. Using Prisma with Hazura? Is that a thing? We just don't do this anymore? Like, okay. Don't need an ORM. Okay. I think I have everything done. We can take out this user button now. I don't need it. Saved. And then at this point, I don't know how long I've been live for. 25 minutes. Wow. 25 whole minutes. Okay. Let's see. This is all done. All right, Mac, take it easy. I'm probably not going to stream for much longer anyway, but I'll see ya when I see ya. Okay, so we have all this done. What should we do next? We should probably think about how this is all going to work. Yeah, please continue to spam my DMs. It's fine. I very much enjoy the fact that I get to read a bunch of stuff about something that I'm just as excited as you are for. Gets me excited. Oh yeah, I guess I should do this stuff while I'm here. Chakra UI, and then if I hit this and do CSS, reset CSS. I think that's all you have to do these days now. And then if I go to localhost, that's not running. That probably makes sense. Nope, I'm just installing packages again. Let's see. Yep, it's definitely reset. It's very, very tiny. Okay, so we got that, we got that, we got that. We need to figure out pages of how this is going to work. All right, let's get out the old. Why is this not in my? I don't know. Anyway. Okay. Text. Pages needed for application. And we'll make this bigger. Okay. And then we'll put some more text down here. Index page. So where people land, we'll want to have let's see here. Index page will need to have schedule, because there's going to be two types, right? So index page for user, and that will just have their scheduled meetings, request, help. No, we don't even need that. Manage payments. So Stripe. Manage. No, we'll just change this to manage settings. Link goes to settings page. And that's basically it for a regular user. I hate the fact that that's happened. Hold on. Okay. Then, underneath that, we need index page for tutor. That will also have scheduled meetings, so that will be the same. Then manage pricing and availabilities. Which then will be another link. And then that'll basically be it. So what I'm thinking is the page will be like this. And then we'll have like a sidebar here. And also basically cards that they can click. So it's, hello? Let me select this, sir. Thank you. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Paste. Right, and then each one of these will be like schedule. Then we'll have manage settings. Good spellings. Good spellings. And then here, if you're this person, maybe availability. And then like something else, right? And then this will just be the standard bar that everyone sees all the time. Nothing crazy. You know, like links to the same thing as here that we can then move across. And down here will be some sort of user management. So then for our calendar, or we should call this a schedule or schedule, depending on what you want to be doing, it's going to be a full calendar with monthly, weekly, possibly daily views. For tutors, way to block out time. Set availability. And then clickable schedule to go 2 rooms or send message. Then the big piece, right, is the last of this, which is like the actual room where shit is done. That will be a video conf style room. Ability to boot into a VS Code style dev env. Ability to whiteboard in the room. Mute, unmute, show, hide, etc. And that should be it, really. So it should be 4 pages. So index page, schedule page, actual page where shit gets done, and settings. And that should be everything that you need to be able to do something on the platform. So with that being said, I think that's it, really. Very short stream. Not very exciting. I didn't have lots planned, but I wanted to make sure that I did some initial work here, like building out this section. So that tomorrow, not tomorrow, maybe tomorrow. Let me look at my schedule. Oh, I'm so funny. Let me look at my schedule and see. Calendars. Man, I couldn't remember what that thing was called. Oh yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be live streaming anyway. Nope. Yeah, I'm going to be live streaming tomorrow anyway, so that should be fine. And then, oh yeah, I have that meeting till 4, so I probably won't stream tomorrow, but I will stream on Thursday. Yeah, let's stream Thursday. We'll do a long-ish stream on Thursday, like 3 to 5. And then at that point, we'll start building out the components for like basic stuff, right? So we'll do our the sidebar, the app shell in general, all that kind of stuff that's like annoying, and then we'll go from there into like building out more pieces. That's it for today's stream. Super short, only 35 minutes. So, but I'll be back in 2 days. See ya.